Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a green smoothie for weight loss for breakfast. Start by gathering fresh greens, a protein, healthy fat, fiber, and a low-sugar liquid. Blend 1 cup greens, half a banana, 1 scoop protein, 1 tablespoon nut butter, and 1 cup unsweetened almond milk until smooth. Taste and adjust with ice or water for consistency, and enjoy a filling, nutrient-rich morning drink. Pick ingredients that balance nutrition and weight goals. Use low-sugar fruits, a reliable protein, and a modest healthy fat to keep you satisfied. Aim for fiber-rich greens, about 1 cup, and add 1 portion of protein to stabilize blood sugar. Keep liquids to 1 cup to control calories and avoid overthinning. Blend until creamy and enjoy immediately for the best texture and flavor. Prep makes mornings effortless and keeps you on track. Freeze banana slices for natural sweetness and chilled texture, and portion greens into single servings for quick blending. Measure protein and seeds ahead and store in labeled containers. Combine frozen fruit, greens, protein, and 1 cup liquid, then blend to a smooth consistency. Pour into a glass and consider prepping jars for grab-and-go convenience during hectic.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.